Okay, sit rep. It's now day of Hilltop. We're getting the goats and we've had to spend all of our time setting that up. This is the first day that we're actually in Hilltop Chartreuse, and we're going to start some demolition. And there we go. I'm sure you've seen the sped up footage, coming through, taking everything out of here. We needed to try and get this as clean as possible before they came in to do the work. Was able to come in a couple of days, take the kitchen out, take some of the door frames out, took some of the other protection out, and we basically cleaned out all of the furniture and all of the rubbish that was in here that doesn't really need to be there. We should continue on. We're still building the goat house, and at some stage soon, hopefully, we'll be starting doing some of the groundworks and some of the roads and stuff coming in here. So. Welcome back to Hilltop in Chartreuse. So, as you've seen, we've got goats. We've spent some time setting up a paddock at home in the meantime, because Hilltop is not closed up enough to keep goats anywhere near. They'd be off all over the place. So what we're doing today is, as you can see behind me, we have the old, they used to have chickens and things in here. We're trying to reuse as much as we can, everywhere we can. So what we're doing today is we're taking the old roof off, which has holes in it. We're going to take that off and replace it with roofing that actually has come from Hilltop itself, where you've seen some of the videos of us actually starting to dismantle the structure. Enjoy! This is us doing work. Oh, as my beard shows, we're getting a little bit older in years, but we're still right on point. As you can see, I went and prepared lunch while Valeria carried on sorting out the shed. Cheers, bon app.